Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike. All right, if you're having problems where your backlights, your brake lights are staying on, okay? The problem is your brake switch. You see the steering right here? You see? It goes connected to this metal plate where your brake pad is at. Where you press for the brakes. This is a 1998 Jeep Cherokee. It goes connected like this. What happened is this right here got worn out. Let's see if you guys can see it. You see how worn out it is? The clamp? So when I clip it in there, just bloop, drops right back out. So what that happens is when this presses, your brake lights turn off. Boom, your brake lights turn on. When this gets worn out right here on the side right here, what happened is she gets loose, then your brake light stays on. But this is your brake switch for 98 Jeep Cherokee. Very easy to replace. All right, so subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video, and if you have any questions, just hit me up. This is Michael. Thanks for watching.